actually picked up this surface from Walmart. So this is the paper we're gonna be using. So I was gonna do that, but then I had just some music paper and it happened to be laying on top, okay? It happened to be laying on top and I said, ooh, so I think we are going to double layer this. I like the music coming through. Do y'all like it? Now I'm just trying to make sure what we're doing here for a second. Okay, so I am just going to that might actually, let's see, we're gonna get out our little razor knife here. Okay, not too bad. So we will get that decoupage down and then we'll put this on top. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna do my best, but I really don't think we're gonna do a whole lot to this sweet girl, honestly. I looked at her and looked at her. We'll probably do maybe a little bit of bling at her waist and then diamond dust her skirt, her little tutu. Okay, so y'all, that's cute. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna ballet slipper it. How fitting. Okay. We got great coverage on that. So one coat, as long as you make sure you get it covered, one coat works perfectly fine with this chalk paint. White, but because we're going to be putting down the music paper underneath, we're fine to just leave it as is. Okay, so hopefully we'll be okay with this double layering here. If I may, you know what? Let me grab a little bit of Saran wrap for when we put our top coat on here. See, I do see a little bit. You can use a baggie because you know Saran wrap, we can't stand it, right? It's just a pain. But listen, if you're just wrapping your hand, put that way. I think I'm actually going to use some liquid patina for this, for the rice paper, in hopes it'll help keep it smooth. Okay, y'all, look how cute the music paper is behind that. I love it. Okay, I'm just gonna lightly go ahead and squeeze a little bit of this around. That is the DIY liquid patina. I was thinking maybe just do some rhinestones down the V. Let me show you. Down the V of her right here. And then maybe in her headband, or maybe just her headband. I want to just diamond dust that. We're going to be adding this incredible crown at the very top here. But we're gonna have to get our antiquing gel on first. trying to decide. The diamond dust will be the very last thing we do. And, you know, of course, her crown. But I'm trying to decide where I would want to do rhinestones. Maybe the I'm talking the itty bitty baby ones. See, those are the SS6s. So it's the tiniest ones. These are just the crystals. That's what we did. We blinged her headband. We sure did. Okay. I'm happy with that. I think that's, because I really didn't want to do anything to her. I just, because this is a pen. It's a little brooch pen. This is from the Ballerina Boutique pack. I thought that would be pretty. I like that down there. I am going to use a little bit of the antiquing gel. Get your paper towels ready, or baby wipe. Okay, see, we're just kind of antiquing that just a little bit. All right, let's get some diamond dust on this baby. Because look, I mean, seriously, isn't that darling? Okay. And now here comes, I love the Bella on there. I think that's super sweet. We're gonna get the crown up here. I'm gonna have to sit, but I do wanna go ahead and turn it around and show you. Maybe I can hold it. Okay, so we,
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.